Hi, Miss Hazel.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay,
This is my natural hair.
Yeah, okay.
So-
Ganda ng pagka-ash, ay pagka-grayish.
Oh,
Salt and
okay.
pepper. So, lahat ng hair mo, igaganito ko lang.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, si bleach, 2 to 3 weeks, nag-fade siya into blonde. Lahat ng mga black mo,
Oo.
expected mo dyan, mas nagiging blonde.
Okay.
Pero itong hair mo ngayon, light. Pero pag
Mhm.
ilalagay ko yung parang purplish, purple, silver gray, mag a bit darker. Pero ang fading yun, still white.
Okay.
Still white pa rin. Pero yung
Kasi
black
ayoko
mo-
mag-yellow.
Yo,
I don't like
okay.
yellow. That's the reason why when I had a highlight 24 months ago, 2 years
Nawala
ago,
na.
and I really don't like the yellow on my
Okay.
head.
So maybe yung parang, yung white mo na lang, gagawin kong silver, purple, silver, gray.
Okay.
And then lahat ng itim mo,
Mhm.
magiging medium brown.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Si Archie, siya yung maglalagay ng color.
Okay.
Ako yung magde-decide ng mga mixing ng color, kung ano yung mga gagawin niya.
Okay.
And
That's good.
then, yeah. Yun lang.
Thank you.
Sige. Parady ko lang po, Miss Hazel,
Yeah.
ha?
I'm so excited to see you.
Okay,
to
thank
meet
you.
you actually.
Thank you for visiting
Yeah,
me.
I just came from the US yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Until when
medyo
ka here?
jet lahat.
Until when ka here?
22nd.
Oh.
Yeah.
Taga saan ka dito?
Sa Quezon City. Pero meron akong wedding na atinan. That's why I came
Yeah.
here. Yeah.
Okay. Game
Okay.
ka na gumanda.
Ay, of course.
Sige,
Thank
parady
you.
ko lang po,
Okay,
ha?
thank you.
Ayan,
Thank
kamusta yung
you.
color? No
Yeah.
more solid white, pero
Uh-huh.
nagiging purple silver gray na siya.
Yes, I love it.
Amazing.
Yes, it's really
cut.
amazing.
Yung cut, okay lang.
Yep.
Yeah. So, expected fading, lahat ng mga purple, silver, gray, babalik siya sa pagiging white lang.
White. Okay.
So, yung brown mo, nagiging soft brown lang yan siya. So,
Cool.
pag nag-grow out ulit yung mga white mo,
Uh-huh.
nagko-connect pa rin to.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not gonna have
Harsh
yeah.
masyado. Yung demarcation.
Thank you so
Yan.
much.
Dami.
You're a miracle worker.
Thank you. Maybe
Thank
next time
you.
ulit.
Yes.
Thank you po.
All right.
Yeah. Nice.
Have a good one. Thank you.